Hello everyone, welcome to the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, we will create the CRUD part of our menu location, and for that we will use Ajax, by which we don't need to refresh our page again and again and give a smooth and clean look to our web page. So first of all, I need to create two methods. The first will render the map CRUD part, and the second will get the post requests. So here, collapse it, and now I will add public action results and name it as menu. Okay, here what I will do, I will return view, and now add view in that. Okay, so we are adding the view. So here is the view. Copy this part here, and now what we will do, we will say that when user will click or open or execute this URL or action method result, then simple Ajax form is rendered on the screen. And for that, what we need to do, here we come and use a div having ID, such as ID as menu. Okay, then we will say at using Ajax dot begin form. Our action or action result is menu. Then what is our controller? We have to define that like this. Now define controller, which is default. Then we will pass option as null, comma, new Ajax options, and here we will define the options. Like here we will say we want to apply the HTTP post method. HTTP method is equal post, comma, insertion mode is equal insertion mode dot replace the values automatically, and update the target ID, which is menu. So the target ID is of this div. Okay, right after this we will use our simple form by applying HTML dot anti-forgery token, so that the data will be secured. Now we will use a div. In this div we will apply some bootstrap like form group, and here in this div we will add our text box, HTML dot text box 4. Now we need to add a model here, so go to model, click add class, menu location model. In this model we will add a public attribute, public string type, location, create, get, set. Okay, save it. Now come here, use at model project name dot models dot, here is a model I want to use, m, then lambda of m dot location attribute. Right after this there is a button having class as use Ajax. Process is the name of this button. And now what actually happened, we need JavaScript and jQuery so that the form will not render again and again, and for that we will use here a script. In this script I will say that when okay, I will say document dot ready, or not ready, on, then click event, and in the click event we have dot use Ajax as the class. Then there is a function execute, in that function we will submit the form. Okay, again I say that e dot prevent default, so it will prevent the form resubmission and refresh. It will not refresh the page again and again. Then there is a variable have name as form is equal this dot closest closest form. This variable will cache the form which is clicked and which we want to submit. Then form dot submit will get execute and form will get submitted. So we have done in the front end and model side. Now we need to create everything on the controller side. We have created the menu. Now we need to create the post request menu as http. When the post request comes, then there is a anti-forgery token will be used. Validate anti-forgery token. If it's matched, then execute. Pass the model here as we have menu location model, then create its variable model. If model state is valid, then execute this if, and in this if what we will do, we will use this view bag to save data inside this. What we will save in this, we will use model dot location. Now what happened, whatever we will insert and submit, that will render as the title. Now execute this on Firefox. Now it is getting execute and you will see that we have only one text field where we can insert the location. Okay, here is no title available. I will say nav bar and process, and nav bar appears here. Okay, I will say nav bar 1, and you can see how it is faster. It is not refreshing the page, it is only refreshing this context. And here you can see 3, okay, 4. So I hope this video tutorial is informative for you. If you have any kind of question regarding this, you can ask us, and don't forget to subscribe the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. In the next video tutorial, we will integrate this value with the store procedure and insert data into table.